Let's talk about BNB. Okay, so according to GonFans, on the daily time frame, it looks like we have topped out locally. I know we haven't had an uptrend since it looks like we topped out. So let's go to a smaller time frame. The 12-hour, I know it's a little bit confusing, but the 12-hour, if you look to the bottom left of your screen, you'll see a triangle that's going uptrend. The 12-hour, it looks like it wants to go up, but that move already happened, I believe, and now I think we could be at the top of another move. So when I look at the support and resistances, which we can get to in a second, but I see we have a little bit of which was at one point resistance, but now we're above it. So now will look like it will act as support. And I had that marked around $431. So that would be the move that we could probably go to the downside if it wants to go to the downside. And if Bitcoin ends up going to 47K like I think it will, which is $1,000 lower or a little bit more than that, $1,100 lower, you could expect this to maybe go to $430 to $400 before we see an uptrace. So now we're at the 6-hour chart. You can see the GonFans are topping out and saying we are going to go down. And usually, when I've used these in the past, they've been very, very accurate for calling out tops. And you also, according to the traditional buy and sell indicators, are saying a few days ago, you got a sell signal, the red TT, saying we could be topping out soon. Now, I don't think those are as accurate, but the GonFans are very accurate, I believe, from what I've been used trading, and I think we're going to top out here. Now, I try to delete the other indicators, the red and blue indicators, which are buy and sell indicators, because I don't think they're very accurate, but I don't know why they keep reappearing. I have to figure that out later. And when we go to the 1-hour chart, it is confirming. It looks like we are topping out. We have gone down now. The Bollinger Bands with the with the blue arrow saying we should be going up for a short-term time frame, but I think overall, you could go back up. Currently, we're at $476. You could see $500 get rejected there and continue its downtrend. I do think on the bigger time frames, though, we are going down. And like I said, your supports are between $400 and $430. To the upside, I have a resistance around $673. If you want to round up to $700, then you have resistance around those levels as well. I personally think we're going down, and I don't think this is a buy right now. But I think if you see $400 again on this, I would pick up some of this up if you like the project.